YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry for being MIA the past week. We had a bunch of jobs come in. We were already busy, but I'm at my alma mater here. Where's the UAB sign? There it is. So this is where I got my undergrad and my master's degree. And this is actually what led me to becoming an entrepreneur. Our senior design project was to start a low-risk business, and it led me to starting my own company. And here I am today, and they are probably our biggest client. And it comes to show, guys, when you do good work, they just keep calling you back. So last week, we cleaned the baseball stadium area, which was all concrete. And then we moved over to what I'm about to show you. All of these bleachers. See how nice and shiny they are? They were completely covered in mold, dirt, grime, whatnot. Now they're clean. So for this job today, we're cleaning all this surface area, all this concrete. Got the mini Mondo stage right there, so I'm going to start right there. Clean this big path here. Go down through there. Over through here. All the nooks and crannies. It's going to be probably, I'm working half a day today. It's Friday. We just had a big check come in, so I'm going to meet my business partner probably for lunch, which is going to be on the business, work half a day, go spend time with our family, and come back and finish up next week. So we got a full day next week, or a full week next week. We're busy, guys, super busy. But anyways, I'm gonna go hop in the truck and we'll finish this video. So I'm back in the truck. Hopefully you guys were able to hear me out there. It's pretty windy. The weather is getting nice here in Birmingham. It's about to get crazy. So just a word of encouragement. I have a lot of guys in the area in Birmingham who's been in it for a couple years, and they're usually slow this time of year. And I can tell they're discouraged, and I hate when they ask me like, hey man, are you busy? Because, you know, when you're 5 years into the industry and you've built your brand well, you have these commercial accounts who need you every year, naturally we're going to be busy. And I just don't want them to compare like our flow of work to theirs. Because look, when I was 1-2 years into this thing, we had some slow months too, you know. So for you guys who are, you know, seeing guys like us, the more veteran guys, you know, post about how busy we are, it's because it takes time, guys. It takes time to get your brand built. It takes time to build a book of business. You know, we have this university. We have a couple school systems. We have, you know, construction companies calling us. These accounts that we've been working for a few years now. So yeah, you're gonna get there, guys. It just takes time. So if you watch this video and you're like, man, how are some of these guys busy? It's because they've probably been in the industry longer than you, but they stuck through it, right? Because there are gonna be days, or you know, there may be even a week where you're slow, right? I mean, even for us, you know, during the summer months, we're booked a month and a half out. Right now, we're only 2 weeks out, but it's steadily coming in. I mean, two weeks out this time of year is really good for anybody. So we're happy with that. We're happy to be booked 2 weeks out. Now, when March and April get here, it's going to turn into probably a month out, and then definitely during the summer. But the time is here. You guys have been waiting for this giveaway. Again, I apologize for putting it off. I've already gained another 50 subscribers since I hit the 1,000 mark. But we drew a winner last night, my wife and I. And Nathan East is the winner. I think he's been following my channel for a while. I think you follow me on Facebook. I'm pretty sure the name sounds super familiar. I think he's one of the real ones who's been following me for a while. So Nathan East, you are the winner. You have 48 hours to text me 205-732-2012. I will send you the M5 Twist. I just need you to let me know what size machine that you run. I need your address and I will send it your way. Congratulations, man. But yeah, so you're the winner. So be in touch soon. And once we hit the 2,000 mark, we'll do another giveaway, and then we'll probably wait till the 5,000 mark for another one. So I'm eventually going to give out a surface cleaner, probably for the next giveaway. So, but I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate y'all for following my channel. I appreciate the support. Never in a million years would I thought that a pressure washing business could be this lucrative. I would be this busy, have a business partner, have 2 rigs going, having these commercial accounts. You just never know what the Lord can do when you're faithful, and you just take a leap of faith and just know He has a plan. And to hop from a 8-to-5 job where you're guaranteed a paycheck every 2 weeks to, you know, taking a risk like this, just hoping that you get jobs. It takes a lot of faith, it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of perseverance. But you guys who are doing it, you guys who have done it, I respect you guys, and I know how hard it is. I know how stressful it is. You know, I try to share the hard moments with you guys, like my time in Tulsa, where I lived there for a year and a half. Like, I knew what a busy pressure washing business was like, which is my business here. And when I was there for a year and a half, it was nothing compared to here. It was stressful. It was hard. I was making maybe a quarter of what I was making back in Birmingham, which is why I'm back here. So I've been through the hard times. I've lived it. I've seen it. But you know what, guys? You just have to persevere and just put your head down and just stay motivated, and just realize, man, like you have to just know that there's going to be days where you're going to want to quit. That 8-to-5 is going to sound very nice again because you're guaranteed a paycheck, but then you're going to have to be told how much you're worth. You're going to be told how much you're going to get paid hourly. You're going to do more work than what you first talked about and get paid the same. That's what I love about being your own business owner. Having your own business is, when there's more work, you get paid more, right? If someone asks me to do more work and they don't want to pay me, I'm not doing it. So I love the freedom. I love the financial freedom. And it's a very good life, guys. There are going to be stressful moments, but realize that. But anyways, guys, thank you for your support. If you watch this and you haven't subscribed, please do. And also, this channel is pretty straightforward. I'm pretty blunt. If you don't like my video and you have negative comments, you can just go find another channel. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. I don't want any negativity. This is all just wanting to help you guys, wanting to share my journey. And if you have something negative to say, don't watch my channel. Simple as that. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. I'm not gonna get butt hurt about it. You know, we're not snowflakes around here. We're men getting up and providing for our families, and I'm making this channel to help you guys the best I can. And if I offend you, then I'm not worried about it. So anyways, guys, keep subscribing, keep watching the videos, keep grinding. Call me if you need me. 205-732-2012. I'm just a phone call away, guys. Literally call me. I'll give you some time to ask some questions. I'll answer them the best I can, and we'll go from there. Scott Lett, Iron City Power Washing. Have a good one. All right, guys, it is noon on the dot, and I am packed up. I'm headed home. So we are way ahead of schedule on that job. We weren't supposed to start that until next week, but since I was out here, I just said, hey, do you mind if we just go ahead and get started today? And I knocked half of that job out in about 2.5 hours. I was on cruise control. So that's another good thing about being your own boss, guys, is you dictate your schedule, right? It's got to be compatible with what your customers want, you know. But when you're that far ahead on a commercial job, you know, and it's Friday, if you want to take the half the day off, do it. Might as well. I'm gonna go spend time with my babies, hang out with my wife, maybe go fish a little bit. But anyways, while I was out there, the 2.5 hours I was out there, we solidified another $2,000 in just residential work. And the guy who's hired us for all this work at this university, he said, hey man, y'all did a great job on the bleachers over here. We need y'all to clean all of the soccer bleachers, which is like 3 or 4 times the amount the ones we cleaned at the baseball field, and that was a high ticket job. So that's going to be a really big job. It's going to take a lot of aluminum brightener. But so guys, you're probably wondering, like, how are you getting these jobs? So I know I'm being very repetitive. It takes time. Like, we've been running the same website, the same Facebook page. We've branded ourselves, and with time, with good work, with patience, you're going to be getting these calls. Like, we've had 4 calls this morning, and it's, like I said, it's just now noon. I'm waiting for some pictures to come in for another job, give an estimate over the phone, boom, put it on the schedule, and I mean, we're almost booked this whole month now, so which would be a little bit over 2 weeks out at this point. So, but my next video, guys, I'm going to run through Jobber. Jobber is the software we use to handle all of our invoices, our estimates, our CRM. I mean, it does everything for us. It's very user friendly. It's like $250 a month, but it keeps us organized. If you are not organized in this industry, it could be very, it could jeopardize the growth of your company. And once you get unorganized, guys, I mean, that you're tiptoeing on some thin ice, right? Because you want to be able to contact your customers from the previous year. You know, that's how you build a book of business. And you want to be able to track down invoices and, you know, and estimates if you need to. And I'm constantly updating this thing. I mean, I update it every single day, just to stay organized, stay on top of things. But anyways, guys, Nathan East, contact me, dude, and we'll get you your M5 twist. You guys have a very blessed weekend. And like I said, my next video, we're going to go over some CRM, which is Jobber, and I'll think of a few other things to go over. Scott Lett, Iron City Power Washing.